guys, welcome to Delightful and Delicious. My name is Stephanie and I am so glad that you are here. Today I'm going to be making sheet pan steak fajitas. Now I love a good sheet pan meal because A, they're super easy to do, and B, you don't have a lot of extra pots and pans to clean up. Now all of the ingredients, as always, will be listed down below. All of the directions will be on our website at delightfulanddelicious.com. I'll also leave that link down below. If you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell right down there. I'm gonna go ahead and preheat my oven to 400 degrees and we're gonna get these fajitas put together. Now first we're going to put our spice mixture together. You need black pepper, smoked sea salt, chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, and smoked paprika. Mix this together well. In a large bowl, we're going to mix bell pepper and sliced red onions. Next, add in chopped garlic. Take your steak and cut it across the grain. Now that you have your steak all cut up, add that to your bowl of veggies. Hit it with some olive oil. And then we're just going to mix that a little bit. Once you've mixed that a little bit, go ahead and add in your seasoning. I like to add in half of my seasoning first, mix it. And then add in the other half of my seasoning. And then finish mixing it all together. Now after you have everything mixed up, we're going to take a baking sheet that we have lined with foil. We're gonna add some olive oil to that. And then we're just going to put our veggies and steak on our pan. Now try your best to get this into a single layer so that it cooks evenly. You want it as flat as possible. Now we're gonna go ahead and pop this into the oven that we've already preheated. You're gonna cook this anywhere from 12 to 20 minutes. It just depends on how well done you like your steak. If you like it more on the rare side, you're gonna go closer to the 12-minute mark. If you like it more well done, you're gonna go closer to the 20-minute mark. Make sure that you're checking on it. Either way, halfway between your cooking time, you wanna make sure that you stir it around and then pop it back in your oven. So I'm gonna go ahead and get mine in and we'll come back. Now when your fajitas have about 5 minutes left, go ahead and take your tortillas, wrap them in some foil, and then pop those into your oven with the fajitas so that they can be warming. All right guys, my fajitas are all done. They cooked about 15 minutes. They're right at medium well, which is exactly how we like our steaks to be done. It smells so good. I wish we had smell-o-vision, you guys. This smells amazing. You can see that our steak is nice and done. Our vegetables are done, but still have a little bit of crunch to it. This is really nice, you guys. Now, while these are still nice and warm, I'm going to hit it with a little lime juice so that the flavor can infuse into these while it's still warm. I've already put a little cilantro on here. I'm gonna put just a little bit more. I'm gonna take one of those tortillas that I popped in the oven. Remember the last 5 minutes of cooking your fajitas, you wanna put your tortillas in there so they can get nice and warm. And then I'm gonna make myself one. Now I like to serve this family style. I put some trivets on the table and just put it out on the table. You can also set up a nice little fajita bar on your counter with your guacamole, sour cream, cilantro, jalapenos, whatever you like to serve yours with, and let people just sort of serve themselves. It works really nice on many different levels. I'm gonna try it, see how we did. Oh my God. You guys, that fresh lime just really brightens the flavor of it. All of those spices that we put in there are so, so good. The steak is cooked perfectly, not dry, overdone. Make sure that you watch your cooking times. So good. All of the ingredients again are going to be listed down below. All of the ingredients and directions are going to be on our website at delightfulanddelicious.com. I hope you guys leave me a comment, share, and thumbs up this video. And remember, whenever you're in the kitchen, you're keeping it delightful and delicious. See you next time, guys. Bye.